Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this super easy, very creamy and extremely delicious chocolate fudge. Just perfect for when you're craving something sweet. Now the base recipe for this fudge only requires 3 ingredients, but of course you can add any extras that you like. First up, we're going to bring a small saucepan of water somewhere between a simmer to a soft boil, then placing on top a heat-proof bowl. To that we're going to add in the chocolate, the coconut condensed milk, turn the temperature down to a soft simmer, add in the vanilla, then simply mix until everything is well combined and the chocolate has melted. Once the chocolate has melted, we're going to pour that into a loaf pan that's been lined with some baking paper. Spread the mixture out evenly in the pan. Give it a little shake. Now of course you can leave it just like this if you'd like to, but I'm just going to add a few little extras. I'm just going to add a small dash of salt and some crushed up peanuts. Lightly press the nuts down into the fudge, then into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Once it's out of the fridge, all you need to do is slice it up into small pieces. To make it a little bit easier to slice, all you need to do is run your knife under some hot water. Yummo! It's so creamy and delicious and so easy to make. So I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!